I lost weight just using this recipe every single day. It was ready in the fridge, so it's super easy, guys. You're gonna love it. We'll need 700 grams of chicken. It's already cooked and seasoned. 1 grated carrot, a can of corn without the water, parsley and green onion to taste, black pepper to taste, salt to taste, and here you can use your favorite seasons and also add more ingredients that you prefer. There are people that add peas and it's good as well. Here I'm using heavy cream. If you are in that losing weight phase, you can add ricotta if you prefer. It's gonna be even healthier. I also added a little bit of light mayonnaise, but if you don't want to, you can use the regular one, okay? You can see that it's already creamy, guys. Take a look at it. Just like that, it's already delicious, all right? Now let's prepare some salad. I'm gonna use tomato and lettuce. Here I'm using a whole grain bread, okay? The ones you buy in the supermarket. I passed a little bit of light cream cheese, but you can use other things you prefer in your bread, okay? And the bread you can choose, you can change it too. Now let's put the filling with the chicken. Here it's interesting to wave it first, okay, if you're in a strict diet, but I put about 2 tablespoons of it. Spread it for all over the corners of your bread, and then I put the salad. Guys, it lasts the whole week in my fridge, okay? You just have to cover with some plastic and put it in your fridge in the higher part, and you will have ready snacks for your whole week. The secret for the weight loss is to let everything ready. If you let this snack ready every time that you're hungry, you will eat this healthy snack, okay? Make it for every day of the week, the amount you want to. And guys, seriously, it's super delicious. You just leave it there in your fridge, and seriously, very creamy, very juicy. And you can also sell it, okay, like a natural sandwich. A lot of people like to eat it. They don't have the time to make it, so you can make it and sell it. And look how beautiful it is, guys. Very colorful with a lot of healthy things and super delicious. Make it at your house, then come and tell me what you thought about it. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10.